already shared
Got
the
it.
screen, and it is by Nuffle Project. They have 871 followers, and their rating is okay. Their chat performance also okay, and they have 66 products. So this one, quite a lot already. And is this the just now the store? No,
No.
home and living different
They're doing a pre-order furniture. Just
Oh,
started about 4 months
pre-order
ago.
Pre-order. I very hard lah, because people like to complain, customers they want like fast, you know. So it's definitely once they see the pre-order 3 to 5 weeks, right? The conversion is extremely slow leh. So why do you need to be pre-ordered because they don't keep stock, is it?
Didn't mention over here. Hi, Dawood. Yeah. So you don't keep stock, is it? That's why you do a pre-order or how?
I think for Daud, this case, right, if you really want to do like pre-order and then you scared people don't buy, but in your title there's no pre-order. So a lot of people, like I tell you, nowadays people buy things. They don't want to look at the description, no. So once they buy and they pay and then they realize that you are pre-order 3 to 5 weeks, they may want to cancel your order or maybe every day chat you and angry. So I don't know whether you want to think about adding a pre-order in your titles, or it may be a good or maybe a bad thing lah. You can experiment. But pre-order normally extremely low conversion lah, unless that you like super cheap and then you tell it in your description, we are pre-order but we are cheaper how many percent than our nearest competitor, blah blah blah. You put in your description, okay, something like that lah. Or maybe you do a bundle like it's very cheap lah, like A plus free feather duster or whatever kind of thing, that people will be willing to wait. So maybe you need to write more enticing product description down there. We are cheaper, blah blah blah. Try to make a very good story lah, so that people not angry.